Hello, welcome back. I round steak. That's what I'm going to prepare today. I round steak. And this steak was a gift given to me by one of my veterans, U.S. military veteran friends from the Marine Corps, Gunny Clark. He bought half a cow and he decided to give me some of the meat. And this meat is delicious. And I'm going to prepare it in a cast iron. So I'm adding to the challenge. Go nowhere, let's create. I'm going to cook 2 pieces. I'm going to put the other 2 pieces aside before properly packaged. I'm going to put in this little bag for now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some sea salt, and I'm going to be generous. I'm going to do on both sides. And I'm going to add some ground black pepper. Flip it. Do the same. And this cow was grass-fed cow. You know, so this is truly a good piece of meat. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of that pepper and salt here because I want to do it on the sides too. And I'm going to do the same here. I want the taste to be distributed equally throughout the entire steak. I round steak. This is going to be delicious. So I decided to use the cast iron, and it's very hot now. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. Let it heat for a little bit. I'm actually very hot already. I'm going to put these babies in. And this is not going to take a long time to cook, by the way. So I cooked one side for 2 minutes. I'm going to turn it around. The other side I'm going to cook for 2, worst case 3 minutes. So I'm going to be watching it closely. So this is because this side is going to cook longer. Is the one that's going to add my specially prepared butter mix. We have instructions in my comments on how to do that. How to prepare this delicious butter mix. Time to put the garlic. Kind of the aromatic. And then I put the thyme. The thyme goes on top. It's about 2 worst case scenario, 3 minutes. Put the stuff on top. Back out a little bit because it's hot. And what you're going to do, you're going to grab a spoon. You grab a spoon and you start putting that butter on top. Move it around a little bit. Let it rest for 5 minutes.